set up in Saudi, started venturing around the mobile operation in 2021. So we've managed to acquire a license in June 2021. So since mid-February this year, we've managed to acquire 125,000 customers at a 25% above market average ARPU market in the market. And then 35% of our customers are digital acquisition, which speaks for itself. And obviously the operation is set very well at fundamentally at OSS BSS level. And then certainly the business is on the go. What we've done since, obviously, we've had a good successful story in our work with multiple partners, and fundamentally our major OSS BSS partner, Optiva. That we have managed to capture a high segment. We delivered the right customer experience and process and journeys to that segment. We've got the right digital assets to be able to capture that segment. And then we are actually working with the consumer to look at their complete digital lifestyle. So defining yourself and set your high bar, that's the first starting point. The second starting point is actually how you're going to be able to capture that value by defining your strategy across the board, OSS BSS, your marketing strategy, your sales strategy, your shareholder set of expectation to be able to manage through and bring the right talent in-house to be able to define that strategy and execute it. Today, what the customer is asking us for is essentially how can we relate to their digital lifestyle? How can we engage in their opinion? How can we be part of their ecosystem, part of their necessities? So you're not anymore relating your services, product and services to a consumer profile that is going to buy into it. It's more of actually engaging with the consumer to build your services, turning the table around, what makes it really work. So particularly with that Generation Z. To be honest, OSS BSS is a backbone of your operation. In essence, any backbone of operation has to be solid and sufficiently strong to sustain an operation. That's the standard format of OSS BSS. Now, in our way of thinking, it slightly goes beyond that point. So we're looking at the vendor's potential and roadmap, because in essence, we're not boxing ourselves into an MVNO that's offering connectivity. We are going beyond that point. So OSS and BSS has to be flexible and has the velocity to be able to be sustainable. So it has to be mature, it has to be sustainable, it has to be flexible so we can change and adapt to market conditions and consumer profiling and segmentation. It's all about actually executing that strategy. So it's got to be a good stack. It's got to start from a marketing point of view or a technical point of view. So technology will have to drive the marketing ambition and have the right set of purposes as the commercial aspect of the business. Fundamentally, the last point to that is execution. Execution has been good to us. We're focusing on execution, so you can think and strategize as much as you want, but unless you put that to execution and you follow through, you will not get the result that you want. Now, our aspiration obviously takes us slightly beyond that. We intend to get into the unified play and apply for unified license at some stage from the regulator, and obviously we can then convert all our operation and create value, which is maximum across the board of our set of services between fixed 5G network, which we hold spectrum for, and certainly the mobile operation. A metaverse. Yes, it will be the meeting point for us and our customers. I mean, we're certainly exercising a lot of investment in metaverse today. We want to be part of that. We believe connectivity is faster, storage is far more evolving at the capacity level, the experience is far more rapid and more challenging. And then obviously, if you look at SK, for instance, Telecom, Verizon, China Telecom, they've combined effort in creating a platform where virtual life meets real life. And that's where the metaverse is. So now we are operating in the digital life, the virtual life. We want to go to the real life. So that's a clear example of where the world is going.